Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you why you need to mix citric acid with toothpaste and how the resulting mixture can be used for cleaning. Take a bowl, pour 1 tablespoon of citric acid into it and add about 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Absolutely any toothpaste will do for cleaning. You can take a toothpaste that didn't suit you or one that has expired. If you buy toothpaste in the store, then just take the cheapest one. Now you need to add 200 milliliters of boiling water to the resulting mixture and mix everything well. Now let me show you where you can use this solution. If you have hard water, the walls of your kitchen sink may become covered with this white coating. To clean it, soak a sponge in the prepared cleaning agent and spread it over the sink. In my case, you can start cleaning right away. If you have a more serious plaque, then wait 10 minutes. After cleaning, rinse off the cleaning product thoroughly with running water and your kitchen sink will shine again. This cleaning agent will also perfectly clean the sink in the bathroom, especially the plug under the faucet and on the faucet. Using a sponge, spread it evenly over the faucet and sink. Next, take a paper towel, soak it in the cleaning agent and apply it to the areas where the plaque has accumulated. Now you need to leave it in this state for some time. 10 minutes was enough for me. If you have a strong plaque, then you need to increase the time. Leave it for half an hour, then see if the plaque is removed. Good. If not, then treat it again with the product and leave it for some more time. Rinse the sink with running water. Wipe dry and look how beautifully everything sparkles. If you have glass shower doors in your bathroom, also take note of this product because it perfectly cleans lime scale. Apply the product with a sponge. You can leave it for 5 minutes. This is if you haven't cleaned for a long time and the lime scale has accumulated. Then clean the glass with a sponge and the product and rinse everything with water. This product is also very good for cleaning tiles from lime scale, bathtub and faucet. After using it, everything will be perfectly clean and sparkling. I also have these kitchen table legs. They are a little rusty. I soak paper towels in the prepared solution, squeeze them out a little and wrap them around the table leg. After an hour, I remove the paper towels and finish cleaning the rust with a sponge. Now let's move on to the second option, how to mix citric acid with toothpaste. Again, I pour 1 tablespoon of citric acid and about the same amount of toothpaste into the container. In addition to these two ingredients, you also need to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and a little boiling water, about 1 tablespoon. A reaction will begin, which is what we need, and while the reaction is going on, quickly run to clean. Now I'll tell you what. First, this is the refrigerator sealing rubber. Apply the product with a toothbrush and start cleaning immediately. After cleaning, wipe the rubber with a damp cloth several times to wash off any remaining product. The second option, where you can use the product you made, is the rubber seal of the washing machine. Take the prepared cleaning paste and use a toothbrush to spread it over the rubber seal. Remove any remaining paste with a cloth and rinse with water. This way you can see better where you haven't cleaned enough. Next, turn on the washing machine in the rinse mode. This will help remove any remaining cleaning product. Look how clean the rubber seal is. Everything cleaned up very well. Well, the last way to use citric acid and toothpaste. Pour these two ingredients into a container in approximately equal parts and mix well. Lime scale, rust inside the toilet. This problem, I think, is familiar to everyone. The paste that we made can be used for cleaning. Carefully pour the paste into the toilet and spread it evenly along the walls with a toilet brush. Leave it for 1 hour, maybe longer, and start cleaning. I used a minimum of citric acid and toothpaste, and look how much I cleaned. And this list can go on. And most importantly, it is chemical free and completely natural. So if you want your home to sparkle too, mix citric acid with toothpaste. I hope you liked these tips. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.